Hey, what's up everyone, it's me again. I'm back with another video, and this time I'll be talking about the purpose of life. Nah, I'm just kidding. This time I've come up with a very brilliant recipe: chocolate honey nutmeg pancake. Okay, now this might not be a new concept for you guys, but this certainly is worth a shot because I have tried it and I love it. Well, how? I don't know. There's chocolate, there's honey, there's nutmeg, it's pancakes. So yeah, definitely it's worth a shot. You guys will love making it and eat it up with your pancake syrup or any other topping. So yeah, without waiting no more, let's get baking. Oh yeah, so this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it, hope you guys loved it, and we'll definitely try this recipe. And come on man, you have to try it. It's so good. You guys will definitely love it. So yeah, keep sharing this video amongst your friends, families and foes, and be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share it with other people, show some love. Yeah, so till then I'll be back with the other videos. So yeah, bye bye, peace out.